My name is Laura Sant. I work for the University of Idaho Extension in Franklin County. I'm going to show you how to make cranberry orange upside down spice cake. Naturally sweet and full of extra flavor and nutrition, fruit makes the perfect addition to dessert. And while this dessert may not be low in fat or calories, it does have cranberries and mandarin oranges, which are loaded with health benefits. To make the cranberry orange upside down spice cake, start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine your dry ingredients. 1½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Set aside. In a cast iron skillet or other heavy oven-going skillet or baking pan, place 3 tablespoons melted butter. Carefully tip the pan to coat the sides with butter. Spread 3/4 cup of brown sugar across the bottom of the pan. Arrange 1 11-ounce mandarin orange sections that have been drained in any design you want along the bottom of the pan on top of the brown sugar. Mandarin oranges have vitamin A in the form of beta carotene, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as antioxidants to support vision and a healthy immune system. They also are loaded with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, which can contribute to chronic disease. Vitamin C also reduces the risk of certain infections. Mandarins have fiber, which supports digestive health and may help lower cholesterol. They have calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help build and maintain strong bones, and potassium, which may help to lower blood pressure. Then add 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries. Cranberries have vitamin C and are loaded with fiber. They also contain proanthocyanidins, which are unique bioactive compounds that have a long list of health benefits. Eating cranberries may help to reduce risk of certain infections, promote heart health, protect the urinary tract, decrease inflammation associated with chronic disease and aging, and support digestive health. In another bowl, combine your wet ingredients. 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 3/4 of a cup sour cream or plain Greek yogurt. Add your flour mixture 1/3 of a time. Mixing until just combined after each addition. Spoon or pour the thick mixture throughout the pan. Spread to cover the fruit. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until a wooden toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Cool the pan, and yes, I know there is no cake in it, on a wire rack for 3 to 4 minutes. Then run a knife or rubber spatula around the edges of the cake to loosen it. Invert a platter on top of the pan. Carefully turn the platter and pan together. Remove the pan. Replace any of the fruit that remains in the pan. Serve warm or at room temperature and enjoy.